Fine. Oh, where's my friend? Bro, my God! Oh my, sir. Oh! Sir! Sir, you've been robbed! He's been robbed! Sir, I will pay for this. I will pay, I will pay for this. I will pay for this. I know I've kind of broke your property here, but, I have like $1 billion. But yeah, bye! Sticks the landing. Buddy! You're gonna respawn you. Oh my God, you have your stuff! Stop! The name of the wall! Name of the wall? Stop. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Go there? That's it. And this is the thing. Please no. Oh. No! Hey! Oh. Ow. Let's see, what else is there? TVs? What the hell? What the hell? There's the lid. Here's the lid to the reactor. For Among Us. Boop, boop. Ah! Oh my God! Oh sweet! Oh sweet! Coach 360! Oh my God! Bro, stop! We're going on it. We're gonna go on a trip in a February to go through the sky, little light. God, I hit metal! Oh, stay on it, stay on it, stay on it. No, I want to stay on it. I want to stay on it. Anyways, let's undo something. Just a lid again. Ah! My leg! It's everything's fine. Everything is A-okay. Yay! Don't fall! Stop it in the name of the wall! Stop it in the name of the wall! Stop! Oh my God, stop! Thanks. Stop in the name of the law! Use the law. Oh my God. break my trees, I'll break your knees. No! Guys, he's behind me! Everything's fine. That's a warning to you guys. I am the Lord! You'll break my trees, I will break your knees! My feet! Everything's fine. I can't let... Run! Oh my god! Oh my god. How much destruction did I do? Did I even make any destruction? Jeez! Hey! What this? Oh my god. Oh my god! I definitely made some destruction there. Oh my god. Dude. Oh my nuts right now! My balls!